Okay, so Carson and I have had a busy day. We've been out shopping and Carson's with me, and then little Miss Sunshine's mama dropped her off. So I've got both of them, but Carson wanted to help me do this video, and we're gonna try to entertain little Miss Sunshine. Her parents don't want her seen on social media, and I totally understand that, but Carson's mama's okay with it. And Carson likes to help Mama cook in the kitchen. So we're gonna throw together a crock pot meal that is so scrumptious.
A chicken salad.
No, it's not a chicken salad. It's Rotel Chicken Spaghetti. We're gonna go ahead and get started on this before little Miss Sunshine gets upset because she was playing with Carson. So here we go. The first thing we're gonna do is put the chicken in here.
No.
And I have got I have 2 very large chicken breasts that I cut in half, and I went ahead and I tenderized these. And I'm just gonna put them in the bottom. Now we're going to add a can of diced tomatoes with green chilies. This is a 10-ounce can. I'm gonna let Carson put that in there. Yeah. Okay, now we're going to add 1 can of cream of mushroom. And Carson is going to open a can of cream of chicken. And remember how to open it? Can you get it?
No.
Okay. Okay. They're a little hard sometimes. There we go.
There we go.
Now we're going to add that can of cream of chicken.
There we are.
Cream of chicken. That's right. I diced up half of a yellow onion, and Carson's going to add that to the crock pot and just kind of sprinkle it around the top. I'm going to add 2 teaspoons of minced garlic. What is it, darling? You're wondering what we're doing?
We're making soup.
We're making supper.
Oh.
Okay, if you're following along, we are going to turn this crock pot onto high and let it cook 3 to 4 hours, and we'll be back. 4 hours later, I didn't make it back. We had some things going on in the house with the grandkids, but I went ahead and I pulled apart my chicken. You can take the chicken out of there and pull it apart if you want to, but I always just do it in the crock pot. But my chicken wasn't tender enough for my liking. So I let this cook another hour, so a total of 5 hours. And the chicken was very, very tender. We are just going to add a half a block of cream cheese, and mine is really soft because I left it sitting out to soften, and when I went to cut it, it was real soft. And also I freeze it. I buy it in bulk and freeze it, and it works great in recipes. Not so much when you want to like eat it on a cracker or something, but it works great for recipes. And then we're going to add 2 cups of cheddar cheese, and then just put the lid on it for about 20 minutes. After the 20 minutes is up, give it a stir. 20 minutes later, and if you're not ready to serve this, you can put the lid back on it and turn your crock pot on to warm. But while this was cooking, I went ahead and I made my pasta. You can either drop your pasta in with the sauce or just leave it on the side, and that's what we did. And voila, you guys, this was so good. And we topped it with a little Parmesan cheese. You can even have garlic bread on the side if you want to. However, next time I will add 2 cans of Rotel tomatoes because my husband and I like it spicy, or maybe a can of green chilies.